We'll guide you through how to factory reset and hard reset an iPhone 16. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on an iPhone 16. You can still follow this if it's 16 Pro or Pro Max, it doesn't matter the model. So for whatever reason you want to do this, we are going to be covering different meanings for hard reset, because I know some people may mean it as a forced restart, as in a restart, keeping your apps and files, but some people may think it goes and removes all of the data from the phone, all the apps and all the files, and it's ready to go and be set up again. So first of all, we're going to be showing you doing the forced restart to go and fix if it's stuck or frozen and it's non-responsive. And second of all, we'll be showing you the alternative meaning for hard reset, just so we cover what you may want in this video. So make sure you watch this whole guide. So if you're running into a problem where the iPhone isn't responding, it's not quite working, a forced restart or forced reboot can often go and solve this. So we can go and do this without touching the screen of the iPhone 16. And so this can be done with a button combination. So what we're going to do is go and press the volume increase, decrease, and then tap and hold that side button. Now we're going to go and keep that held down. If your iPhone is stuck or frozen, you may not go and see the slide to power off screen or remain the same, but it should go black. But keep the button held down, and we're going to go and release it when we see the Apple icon. So as you can see, it's now starting, and it should then come back on. And when it comes back on, the problem should then go and be solved. Like so. As you can see, it's back on, and hopefully you're now able to go and use it. Now, if you're wanting to go and do the alternative meaning for hard reset, where you go and remove all of the data and apps from it, what you need to do is you need to go and open up the settings. You can consider doing an iCloud backup by going to the Apple account settings or plugging it into your computer. Then when you're ready, you can go and press General, scroll down, find Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap there. At the bottom, find Erase All Content and Settings and tap there. You can then see what's going to be removed here, all your apps and data, the Apple account, find My Wallet, press Continue if you're sure on Erase iPhone. Enter in your passcode and your Apple account password, and you can then start the process of factory resetting it. Hopefully the guide has managed to achieve what you wanted to.